Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to discuss about some very good stocks for swing trading that you guys can take for tomorrow. And let's start with analysis of Bank Nifty, guys. Let's go for 15 minutes time frame. And as you guys know, in one of my learning series, I have explained the market behavior of indices and stocks. In that series, or in that one video, I explained this concept where the Bank Nifty exactly acted according to it. If you guys want to predict the movement of the Bank Nifty or other indices or the stocks, do check out that video. I'll leave the link in. You can see the link on your top right corner. Okay. So let's see what the Bank Nifty can do tomorrow. If we can see here, before yesterday it made a rally, and we have a resistance and a support over here. Sorry for that. If the Bank Nifty opens flat or little gap up or little gap down, there's a huge probability that the Bank Nifty can be in this range. Okay, because it hasn't given any one side momentum, or it hasn't consolidated at higher level, or it hasn't distributed at lower level to expect it to break upside or downside. Okay, so we have to wait and watch for tomorrow. If you guys want, you can sell 38,000 call and 37,500 put to get some premium. Okay, and that's all for the analysis of Bank Nifty, guys. Let's go for the stocks. So the first stock is Srtransport, and you guys can see the stock is in consolidation. Okay, have drawn this support and resistance along back, and the stock is in consolidation, in this range. So, and if you guys can see here, after taking support, it has made a very good green candle, and if the stock opens flat and touches this level, it can give a very huge momentum. So you guys can go along here, having a sell below this candle, which is 1313, and this target for the stock will be 1396. Okay, so the next stock is suntv. So, and this is my favorite pattern, guys, as you guys know, and this kind of pattern will give a very huge momentum if you have done any back test like in the past. Okay, so you guys can go along here, having an SL below this wick. I know the stop loss is very big, and for the target you can have a huge target, which is about 580, and again next that the stock even can reach up to 600. Okay, you can have the 600 as second target. The next stock is cholafinance. Okay, so as you guys can see here, after making a double pattern, it has made a very good buying green candle, and here there will be many SL stop losses order here, and if it opens flat, it can also again give a very huge momentum. So you guys can go long. Let's see the stop loss in 2 hour time frame. So if it opens flat, guys, let's go in 15 minutes time frame. If it opens flat, you guys can go along, having an SL of 7575, and the target for the stock will be 600. Okay, and the next stock is Balkrishnaindustries. So even the Balkrishnaindustries stock has trying for a reversal by making a double pattern, and if it opens flat, the stock can give a very huge rally. So you guys can go along here, having an SL below this wick, which is 2515, and the target for the stock will be this level, which is 2638. Okay, and that's all for the answers of today, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.